Hey guys, just wanted to show off the latest project. It is the AMT Mack Cruiseliner number 1062, a kit from the late 1970s that's still available today. The last time I built a model kit, I remember listening to Michael Jackson's Dangerous on cassette, so that's like 25 years ago. I got a great deal on this kit because the box was badly damaged in shipping, and so the cab corner was torn and so was the cab step. I thought this would be a great reintroduction to scale modeling, but honestly I should have started with something a little smaller. The kit was a challenge to build with more than 280 parts molded in what I think was the original 1977 tooling. The instruction manual has seen minimal updates in the last 40 years, and so it's pretty basic. I only spent about 2 hours a week building, so it took almost 6 months to finish this project. I have some pretty bad seam lines. There's orange peel in the cab paint, and it did a poor job securing the cab mounts, so it doesn't sit right. If you built this kit or something like it, let me know how you made out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.